就跟他说，咱不是给发新的德尔维胶了吗？哦，这些老的就擦掉，擦干净，要不然按上之后，它的整效果会有很大影响。
Together with the semiconductor, we attached some these gray things. Yeah. So you need to wipe the old one off. Clean the surface. Here, the black part is the temperature sensor. When you're doing this, please be careful with it. Yeah, you need to cut the wire here and here. Then you can take off the old ones. You can see those tools are connected together. One's black wire connected to another red wire. A moment later, we would do the same thing to the new ones. Yeah, do something to fix this for temporary. Now we need to do something to the new semiconductor coolers. Yeah, smear some heat transferring silicon. To smear some. The quantity on the surface should be equal. Be smeared evenly. To cover all the surface of the semiconductor cooler. When putting in this area, just to remind, red wire here and black in the middle. Then we smear some silicone on another surface. Smear evenly and cover all the surface of it. Push it to make sure they're connected well. Okay. Push it. It's okay. And for this one, red should be in the middle and the black on the side.
看，不用刷，压一下。如果说有没接触到的，就再磨一点，可能就是磨的不均匀。
You can see the shape here is not perfect. That means the silicone is not enough on this one. So we need to smear some more. Okay, push it another time. Push it and wave it.
Okay.
Much better. 够了吗？
够了。
Okay, that's enough.
就这样，全部接触之后再给它。
Make sure it's connected very well. Then fix the screws.
你螺丝让它对角上，对角上接触。
There's an order when you're fixing the screws. First, second, third, fourth. Then clean the extra silicone with paper or some cloth. Okay, next we are going to connect the black wire and red wire of those two semiconductor coolers. Black with red. Soldering them together. Soldering it. Protection pipe. Soldering them together. Okay, it's firm.
需要来接下来打火机。
那不是风枪。Okay, it's firm.
一个。 要不要跟你客户解释？我这边线不方便剪那么多，其实做的时候可以这样就可以了，你可以改。
This is just a demonstration. So actually, when you're doing this, you can cut the wire from here, to make the connection shorter and make sure the installation would be easier. Yeah, you can see too long wire make here is not so great. So when you're doing this, you just cut it from here, then connect to the wire here. All right, let's connect the black one.
Yeah. 哇靠！这么大个东西你看不见，不能就在里面弄的呀？你不知道是吧？我还以为你知道呢。
Soldering them together. Make sure it's firm. Alright. Deal with the pipe. Okay. And the cover. Install the 4 screws. There is also an order when fixing those 4 screws. First, the second, third, fourth.
Okay.
Alright, now it's done.